guess I keep talking to myself. No one seems to know my struggle and everything I come through. If anybody hear me, I guess I keep talking to wait to myself. No one seems to. Okay, I'm live. So yo, what up? What up? It's the second city saint, aka day 3, I guess. Ouch! Damn, bro. Let's go then. Let's go. Yeah. The task will be the same. Trying to do 4 questions in 1 hour. Trying to do. I don't know if I'll be able to do that or not. 1 to 1. This is one of those questions I tried yesterday, but I was not able to do these. Please, Lord. Jeez. Please send me a brand new car with a Okay, this is good, right? Setup is good, I guess, right? Let's start then. Oh, by the way, let me just check if I'm even live or not. A lot of time this happens that I go live, but I'm live in private. Looks like I'm live. Let's start then. I'm live. Ouch. Oh, so this is what I was thinking, I guess. Huh? And then I should like have int profit is equal to 0. I remember the question. Int profit is equal to 0. What am I doing, man? Now everything should be in log on, right? So for int I is equal to 0 to I less than prices dot size I plus plus. Damn. After this, I need to see if I've got a minimum element or not. If I see something even less. So first of all, I'll calculate profit. So profit, what am I doing, man? Profit is equal to maximum of profit and prices. What am I doing? Prices prices damn. Yeah, prices I minus min. By the way, min is a keyword, right? So just change this to m, right? Yeah, m. And after this I will have m is equal to minimum between prices I and m. So just like this, it will be my code. And if at last prices profit If profit is less than equal to 0, return 0, else return profit, right? Profit. Semicolons. Damn, semicolon. I guess my code is correct. Let's run this one. Oh, yeah, it's correct. Damn, first try, baby. What? Oh, damn. The beats are pretty less, I see. Let's see what the optimal solution was. What happened to my stream? Wait. Something happened. Something bad's about to happen to me. I don't know, it's just the way it's coming. Might be so sad, might leave my nose running. No, it's okay. I thought something happened to my stream. Okay, what was the optimal solution? Let's see. Dynamic programming. Damn, 267k views on this solution, bro. Wait. Oh, wait. His solution is just pretty much like mine. So why is this an optimal solution? No, I don't get it. Wait, should I submit it again? It's just because of my PC, I see. It's just because of my PC, I guess. So what's the next question I'm doing? Let's ask Gemini what's the next I should do. Done. Give me the next question, bro. My life's too stagnant and busy at the same time. Should I show Gemini too? But there is just one problem in showing Gemini, that there is a lot of personal stuff there too. Okay, so it says squares of a sorted array. Gemini says 100 and 977. 977. Let's just do this one then. 10 to the power 4. Now this says that if I just square the array first, it will take log n of time, right? No, it will take O n of time complexity. If I sort it, then it will take n square, I guess. Okay, let's just try this one first, then I'll see what happens. So for I, oh damn, I'm just too much confused between Python and C++ these days, man. So I should be less than nums dot size, and it should be I plus plus, I plus plus, and nums of I is equal to nums of I uh, square. Oh damn, square. Oh damn, square. After this I just have to sort it. Sort nums dot begin and nums dot end, and that's it, I guess. Then just return nums, and I guess I'm done. It is correct. It is correct. Oh, what? What? Wait. Where did I go? Where did I go wrong actually? Return nums. Okay. What am I even doing? It should be right. Oh, what the hell just happened? What? Nums of I is equal to nums of I into I. Nums of I, right? Nums of I. This should be correct, I guess. Oh, but okay. I think I'm going to see that time limit exceeded. I'm going to see a TLE. I'm submitting this, but I think I'm going to see a TLE. No, I didn't really see a TLE, but I know that this is not the optimal solution. Let's try the optimal solution too. Okay. So what can be the optimal solution? Let's think about it. Let's think about it. So two pointers, obviously. Two pointers approach is the best thing to do right now. And I think I should create a new vector. Let's create a new vector first. Vector int v. Yeah, I have a new vector. I is equal to 0. Oh, not I. Again, Python has made me weak, I guess. Int j is equal to nums dot, what the hell am I doing? Nums dot size -1. And yeah, I think I figured it out. How am I going to do this in nlogin? Not nlogin, but on. I can do it in on, I think. So this is what I'm going to do. So while I less than equal to j, if nums of now what's the, how do I wait, let me just wait, how to get absolute value in C++. Is abs a function? abs, abs, yes. So I'll use abs. If abs of nums of I is greater than, if this is greater than nums of j, abs of nums of j, actually abs nums of j, how many of these I've got? I see that there is this one. This bracket is closed. I opened this bracket is closed. Okay, so if this happens, what do I do? So I've got I, right? I've got I. Hmm. Hmm. This is actually a good one, I would say. How am I supposed to do this one? Let's think about it, bro. Let's think about the other case first because I can see this here. If this is greater, I need to push back. I need to push back. Damn, bro. I have to get the minimum elements first. So how do I do that? Um, to do this in login, let's see the optimal solutions here. I don't need one liners first of all. Using 2 pointers, yeah, exactly. I know that this approach will demand 2 pointers. What have we done? Range. No, I don't want to see this in Python. Well, let's just see this in Python anyways. What's the big deal, right? So yeah, if absolute is greater, result. Acha. I see result. It means result, I guess. So this guy's result of I is equal to nums left. Okay, and left plus 1. Right. Result of I. Oh damn, man. Oh wait, damn. I was never going to do this. I wouldn't have even come close. I'll leave this the way it is. I'll do it the good way some other day. Well, let's just leave it how it was. Damn, I was never going to do that, man. Oh, what just happened? Oh, obviously, yeah. I did the second problem, right? To what the hell? Oh yeah. Why does my laptop heat so much, man? Wait, just a second. Yeah. It's okay. This is correct. I've done 2 for the day. Stream. Let's see. Minutes and I've done 2. 2 on 1. Hey, yo, what up, bro? Who's the second person in my chat? I saw there was a watching of 6 just now, but because I wasn't interacting all of them. Yes. Who's this? Oh my god, Gia from Unstop. Yo, what up? I got 3 views. I just got 6 by the way, but because I was just so focused on the question, I didn't interact and all of them left. What should be my next? Say, one is linked list. Linked list. And let's see what Gemini says. Gemini 724. Okay, let's try 724 then. See what Gemini is talking about. 724. 724. Find pivot index. Given an array of integers nums, calculate the pivot index of the array. Pivot index is the index where the sum of all the numbers to the left of the index is equal to sum of all the numbers strictly to the index right. If the index is on the left edge of the array, then the sum is of left is 0 because there is no element to the left. This also implies to the right edge of the array. Return the most pivot index in such. If it doesn't exist, return -1. See this one then. 0 1 2 11, huh? So there's just one thing that I can see for sure is sum of nums. Sum nums. Is this a function? First of all, I don't know, but I'll try anyways. Sum nums over the whole sum, and then I'll just do for I in, right? So for int I is equal to 0. Wait, I should also define. Wait, what the hell am I doing, man? Like, first of all, total int total is equal to sum of nums, and I should also define I guess running sum, right? So our sum is equal to 0. Int I is equal to 0. I should be less than nums dot size, then ICI plus plus, then curly braces, and so first I have to see that if our sum is equal to total minus our sum minus nums of I, return I, and yeah, I have to do multiple practices here, like our sum plus is equal to nums of I, then at last I plus plus. If nothing happens, I just have to return 0, I guess. Return 0. This should be correct, right? This should be correct. What? Sum. Okay, so here it comes. Function to sum all elements of a vector. Or maybe I should just create, right? Should I just create? Oh, accumulate. It says accumulate. Accumulate, huh? Accumulate nums. I'll just do the total. I'll just find out the total. So for int I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot size. I was just running from writing the code, but I guess I have to do it. I plus plus, and total is equal to plus is equal to nums of I. That's how I get the total. Let's see what happens now. I plus plus. Where did that? Okay. Damn, bro. These semicolons, man. Oh, says wrong answer for some reason. Let's see why. So I've got running sum. I've got total. I've got. Okay, so running sum right now is 0. Total of I. And then I add nums I to running sum. Running sum becomes 1. I plus plus. 1 is equal to total. The total right now is 12, 17, 20, 27, 28. 28. 1 is equal to 20. It doesn't sums up right. 1, 7. Expected is 3. 3 is the index. 1, 8, and 11. And this is total of 11, 17, 20, 28, 28, 22, 11. I don't get it. Why it's not correct? This is correct for sure, man. What the hell am I doing wrong? What the hell am I doing wrong? Wait, output should be -1 if I don't find it, right? -1 because, whoa, I did find this one. It's correct for this one for some reason, but not for the other ones. Why? Why is this happening, man? Oh, I don't need to do this one. Let's go now. Yeah, submit. Let's go. Then one more. And it is just the best solution anyone could have got, I guess. Let's just post this solution. C++ 100% beats. This will be my first post. C++ 100% beats post. Let's go. My first solution that I posted with this account. Let's go for another one. Let's go next. Hello, 3 people who are watching my stream. Y'all can comment, by the way. Y'all can comment, man. I feel like I'm just talking to a screen right now. I just did 3 problems in how much time? Under 30 minutes. Like, I take 10 minutes per problem I see. Wait, why am I talking with an accent? I just realized, man. Wait, why is it happening? It sounds so fake. Let's just select a question. Let's do this one. Median of two sorted arrays. Nah, I'm sorry. Didn't see it was a hard problem, huh? I should do 16. I should go till 16, I guess. Go a lot of time. See. Linked lists. Sort 1 till now. Merge two sorted lists. Remove duplicates. Let's go with acceptance. Let's do a medium problem first of all. I'm tired of doing Rust. Oh, so you're saying Rust is better, huh? Wait, I've got a Rust file, I guess. Rust is better, you're saying, huh? Well, I don't care either ways. I think Python is better than all of these, but yeah, C++ is better when it comes to like DSA and all, I say. Rust. I've never tried Rust, to be honest. How much time it will take for me to like learn Rust? What do you think? I've become good at CPP. I think I've become good at CPP, even though I still don't know. Insert greatest common divisor in linked list. Okay, let's try this one then. Oh damn, what have I signed up for? Looks like a good question. Greatest common divisor. Rust is actually I've just like switched to C++. I was doing DS Python before this lead coding. I was lead coding in Python before this. I feel C++ is also like great. Rust, man, Rust is not so famous between me and my peers, I would say. So about 15 days, I guess. Oh, I see. Rust is not that famous in my university and all. No one talks about Rust. It's either Java, C, Python, and that. Oh, JavaScript is also pretty popular, but again, that's just a little bit on web development side. Let's do this question. So while cur's next is not equal to, it should run like this, that first I should declare a list node cur is equal to head, and while cur's next is not equal to null pointer. Loop will go on and on. Everything is cool with C++. You want a floating pointer and billion of dollars are gone. Well, yeah, I think like this too. These pointer things, even though these pointer things, this gives a lot of like control on the memory. Like we know where does this variable exist. But at the same time, what you're saying, yeah, I acknowledge this thing, man. It's a little bit risky, but yeah, everything has pros and cons, I guess. So it will go on till its next is null pointer. Now I have to find first I have to declare a new node, right? So list node new n is equal to new, okay, new what, struct list node, right? Struct list node. Now I've got the new node with me. Now to use this one, I have to give its value such that first I have to declare int x is equal to, oh, just int x, that's it. And now I have to find the greatest common divisor. GCD, right? GCD, greatest common divisor, huh? Let's think about it. How can I do this one? I don't want to take more variables. It will increase the space complexity. So just for what? For int I is equal to minimum of this is going to be tough. curs val and curs next val, and I will go till what? I'll I less than I greater than equal to 0, I plus plus, if uh, cur val, oh damn, how do I use the modulo symbol in C++? Is it there? The one we used to find remainder in Python. Is it there? I think it should be there. Divide by I is equal to wait, if anybody if anybody in chat knows C++, this is okay, right? Like in Python, this is the modulo symbol. It tells about the remainder. I'm guessing C++ also uses the same symbol. If and curs next val modulo I is equal to 0. If this happens, I've got my new x, right? So my x will be I, obviously, and because my x is I now, I can come out of the loop, and now yes, percentage is modulus, yeah. Now I've got the val for new n. The val for new n will be x, and curs next will be new n, and new n next, oh no, if I do this I will lose the address to the next one. So new ones will be curs next, and curs next will be new n. I guess this should be the correct solution. This should be a void function, by the way. No, this is not a void function. Okay, no worries. I just have to return head, I guess. Return head. So is everything okay? I've got all the semicolons where they need to be, I guess. Curs next value, yeah, nice. Let's see. It's okay. Oh, I minus, yeah. Found one. Found you. This should be correct, I guess. Oh, what just happened? Nah. Divided by 0. Oh yeah, for sure. Why am I doing this? Correct. Please. Memory limit exceeded? What? Where did I go wrong? Struct list node int x. Value of un is this. X is equal to I. Oh! I have to break this one too. Wait. Now it should be okay. I had to break that one. Please. I hate linked lists because there's memory exceeded. Why, man? Why? Fuck, man. X is equal to Y. What is the problem? Hmm. Oh wait. After all this, I also have to do is equal to curve next. This is what's missing, I guess. Let's see if everything's okay. Curve x is curve next is equal to new n. Yeah, it should. Oh wait, not curve next. Curve next to next. Hmm. Oh, let's go. Medium question by the way. Medium question by the way. Let's go. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. Oh damn, let's go. So my target was 4 questions in 1 hour. I've achieved this in 40 minutes. I still have 20 minutes. Let's do two more. Let's do two more because I streamed yesterday too and I was not able to achieve my target yesterday. I just did two. And I also didn't just do two, I just did one. One, I almost did that. So let's just compensate tomorrow. Let's just do two more. Let's ask Gemini what should I do. Thank you, Peacemaker. You're such a peacemaker you are. Hey, yo, Peacemaker, tell me about yourself. I would soon I'll be starting a Discord server. Like I'll be talking to some of my friends who are enthusiasts. Maybe I'll add you too. So what's the next question I should do? Every day someone comes to my channel, like my channel. Every day some random coder comes to my channel, and yeah, they're just incredible coders most of the times. Like, what are you guys searching so that you guys are getting my channel? I really need to know this because I just upload everything onto my channel, from boxing to gaming to coding. How are like people reaching my channel? Damn. So I should do 53. AI says I should do 53. I use Arch, by the way. Damn. 53 is maximum subarray. I can already see this is a sliding window problem. Is it a sliding window problem? Divide and conquer array dynamic problem. No. I can actually do this one, I guess. Given integer array nums, find the sum subarray with the largest sum and return its sum. I see this is a good one, I guess. Medium problem, and that too in arrays. I'm afraid of these type of things. Subarray with the largest sum and return its sum. This is a problem. I hate sliding windows problems. Sliding window and prefix sum. These are the two things I hate. Divide and conquer approach, huh? Divide and conquer. Okay, let's ask another one. Let's just see 3 questions at the same time. I've got 20 minutes. I just want to do two more. Um, hmm. 4 minus 1, 2, 1 has the largest sum 6. I see, because 4 is one of the maximum. I won't look at the solutions, but I just want to see, has people used like sliding window? No, then I'm just maybe I'm thinking in the wrong direction then. Damn, my back. What is my ratio, by the way? $268 is cents. What is my ratio, by the way? It's pretty bad, I guess. 268. Let's see what 268 is. Missing number. That's again an easy question. If this was Python, this question is just nothing. Because you have that membership operator in Python. You can just do for I in range n plus 1 and just find and how much number it is. 10 to the power 4. Yet it'll like easily. Should I do it in Python? No. Python is cheating. I consider Python is cheating. Because it just gives you so much of like content to work with. So what if I sort first and then I go with it? Yeah, this is a good approach, I guess. Let's just sort the nums first. So sort nums dot begin, nums dot end. After sorting, I'll run a loop for I, for int of I less than not less than 0, I less than equal to nums dot size. What am I doing? Size and I plus plus if nums I is not equal to I. Yes, this is the correct one, I guess. If nums I is not equal to I, return I, and that's it, I guess. Oh, but what if nothing happens? Yes, it's a non-void function. Then maybe return -1. This should be correct, I guess. What's the problem there? Yeah, the overflow condition, I just forgot about it. So let's do this and then just return nums dot size plus 1. Now it should be all okay, I guess. Please let me do it. Oh, almost there, I guess. Oh, just nums dot size because the index is like that, right? 0 1 2 3 0 1 2. It's correct, but I still want to see, just want to check one more time. 0 1 2 0 1 2. I is this? Yeah, it's correct. It's going to be correct. So my ratio is 2:1 right now, right? My ratio is 2:1. Should I upload this solution? Like, I just want to let's just upload every solution of mine from today. Let's just upload this one too. C++ 100% beats. Like, what happens? Nothing happens. Let's just upload every solution of mine from today. Okay, one more question. Let's do one medium. I've got 10 minutes. One medium question. Let's just see which one I can do. I've not even touched strings till now. I've I'm becoming proficient in C++, but string is something I've not even touched till now. 2 pointers, linked list. Let's go linked list again. Merge two sorted list, add two numbers, remove nth from the end of list. Remove nth from the end of list. This one should be easy, I guess. End of list, from end of list. Nth from the end of the list, second from the end of the list. It says second from the end of the list, and second is actually 1 2 3 4 5. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. If I start from 0, 0, 1, 2, no, not 0. So 5 minus 2 plus 1. What is saying? And this. Okay, I've got 10 minutes. Don't hijack my stream. How am I going to do this? The size of linked list minus nth node plus 1, and that I loop till then, and then I just remove that one. This is going to be easy, right? This is actually going to be easy, right? So int what? Let's see, size. So while I have to define cur first of all. So list node cur is equal to head, while cur not, this one is easy. Why is this in the medium category? I don't get it, man. Oh, because obviously there are optimal solutions too, and what I'll be doing is called brute force, right? Venom. What I'll be doing is called brute force, right? That's why maybe I'm finding this easy, but the optimal solution would be way hard, I guess. So size is 0 first of all, and 1 2 3 4 size thus is equal to 1, and cur is equal to cur next, and just like that I've got the length. And int n would be, int position is equal to size minus n plus 1, and because of my position I've got the position. Let's just do one more loop, a for loop, for int of I is equal to 1, and when why is my moderator such a dumb person, man? Why is my moderator such a dumb person? I don't get it. Okay, never mind. I less than, okay, let's just start from 0 anyways. So I have to, okay, I have to give the position. When I give the position, it will reach where it has to reach, I plus plus. Oh, let's just again, cur is equal to head again, so I can use the cur again. I just don't want to make a new pointer, I would say. And here cur will be cur dot next, right? Cur next. And when I have the cur at last, then cur next would be cur next, and I have to return head, I guess. Now just return head, and I think I've done this one. Oh, what just happened? Within null pointer. Wait, what? Why just happened? -1, I guess. Then I must not do this hit and trial thing, by the way. This is ruining my coding skills. Where did I go wrong? Curse next should be curse next, right? I is equal to 0. Starts with I is equal to 0. And position right now is size is 1 2 3 4 5. 5 plus 4 5 plus 1 6, and the second is the position. Also share this with your friends. Know how to get him. Wait, why is my moderator such a dumb person? Oh damn, you have no friends who code. Okay. Write the full sentence. I like, damn, I just read like I have no friends, and I was like, damn bro, I was sympathetic for a second. Oh, my moderator is just so bad. Wait, how do I remove this message? Wait, my moderator is just unhinged. Let's just remove his messages. Damn. Okay, so where did I go wrong? That's why I like to keep a copy and paper with me. 0. Then cur dot next. 1. Cur dot next. 2. Where did I go wrong? I know my logic is correct. I'm trying to find the position. This is the last one. How much time I've got? It's almost time. My friends have more subs with just Roblox vids. Oh damn. AI taking over. I've got very less time. Only 2 minutes before my mic just says hello, 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 hello. Wait, is my voice coming? Hello, hello, yes. Okay. Oh, let's just complete this one, man. Where am I wrong? It's less than position, I would say. So position, what is the position? 5 is the size. 5 is the size. Plus 1, 6. 6. Second node, which says 4. 4 is the position. I should start with 1 according to this. Start with 1, 1, 2, 3. Should be less than 4. Where am I wrong? Curse next, next. Curse next is curse next, next. Where am I wrong, man? Position minus 1, less than position minus 1. I don't get it. My indexing is wrong. This is what I know. Man, what do I say? Peacemaker, Wiggy just means cricket. I don't know why this I don't know why this creature calls cricket as Wiggy. I just don't know. I'm stuck with this. Where am I wrong? Damn. Just think about it, man. I'm so close. I have to skip the value. Curse next is equal to curse next, next. Where am I wrong, man? It's all indexing. The whole problem is indexing right now. -2. What happens if I do -2? Same. Member access within null pointer of type list node. Is this the problem? Is this the problem? Let's just make the new pointer then. Make a new pointer then list node star cur 1 is equal to head, and it's equal to head cur 1 cur 1 cur 1 cur 1 cur 1 and a cur 1. Will it still give the same error? Member access within all null pointers. I don't know why, but YouTube suggested me one of which is just mod. YouTube YouTube suggested this. I don't know why YouTube suggests my videos. I just post everything. I post from boxing to gaming to roast coding. I don't know why YouTube suggests my videos, man. I'm also trying to know. I just started this thing for fun, but I'm just getting viewers for no reason now. Like, I love this, obviously. I'm not a very social person, but again, I need to know the reason at least. Why is this happening? Where did I go wrong here? Member access within. Wait, don't use cur next. I think that's the problem. No, that's not the problem. Curs next. Curs next. What's the problem here? It says within null pointer of type nest node. I'm also not able to see what's the problem with the pointer and all. This thing is correct. Return head. I just did this one in the previous question, I guess. It was all okay. Curs next. Where is the problem? Bro, you lost again and again the lines. Why is my moderator such a idiot? I'm so close. Why am I not able to do this one? Node.js. Let's build something actually usable. Oh. Like what? Tell me your ideas. I'll just post a link to the Discord server on my community of YouTube. Do join that one, okay? Like, I am going to do this. I want like enthusiastic coders with me. Make a different pointer on cur1 next and then use its next. What? Cur1 next and then use it. Try at least. Make a different pointer or cur next and then use its next. Okay, I will do what you are saying, but just want to say, nah, it's not the thing. Okay, let's do what you're saying. Okay, list node cur cur 2 is equal to cur 1 next and like just see, it will be the same problem. Cur 2 I've literally used this approach in 10 questions on right hand side. Yeah, no, I like just see this. I've used this approach in 10 questions. It worked every time. It's not the problem is not syntax, it's somewhere in the logic. The problem is somewhere in the logic. I'm trying to see what the problem is. This is my last question, by the way. I'm just not able to do this one for some reason. Control Z, control Z, 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 Z. Member access within null pointer of type list node. Within null pointer. Oh, okay. This test case is the problem. I see, man. I see what's the problem now. I see what's the problem now. So yeah, okay. I now I know what's the problem. So okay, so if head is equal to 1, I just have to return an empty list. The problem here is this test case. This test case is the problem, because there's nothing, there's no head, there's nothing. You just have to like return null pointer. This one is the problem. Let's just check for other ones too, if I'm right with the other one. So 2 is the one, first position, 0th index, 0 is the position. Wait, 2 is the size, 3 minus 1 matlab second, and it's less than 2, third next, position minus 1 actually, I think, not position minus 1. Fourth position starts with 1, jumps to 2. It's all okay till here. I just have to I think just have to do this, that if yeah, I got it. If size less than equal to 1, return null pointer, else I'll do all that bullshit you want to do, man. It should be okay now. Try making if statement for those with less than minimum size of your required. Yes, I'm doing the same thing. What? Where am I wrong now? Oh damn, where am I wrong now? One, two, three, four, 5 says second one. Fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4. Curs next is equal to curs next, which is a null pointer. Starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, stops here, it stops here. Well, actually, it should not stop here, I must say. Oh my god, protect me, man. Protect me, God. I think that's it. Oh damn, bro. How much time does this question take, man? Almost 20 minutes. Where am I going wrong? Damn! Where am I wrong? Size is 2. Oh damn, I'm at my limit. No, I would solve this question anyhow. I am not going to end the stream until I solve this question. This is a must. Oh damn, what am I even doing? Wait. I have to set cur again. I have to set cur to head again. Now it will show me something. I'm not saying it will give me the correct answer, but at least it will show me something. Again this. Oh, it should be position -1, right? This is what I did. Now, is this the right time? Is this 4 live viewers, 6 live viewers by the... Oh damn, have I done it? Oh please God, have I done it? What? No, where did I go wrong? I thought I did it. Damn, I thought I did it. Oh, hey Bhagwan. Damn. Two. It was close. It gives me the output 1. And this gives me the output 1. This gives me the output 1. Test results. This is giving me 1. It should give me 1. दो के लिए अलग केस शायद बनना नहीं I'm not doing it. These cases things I don't like doing it. I like to write a code that is true for all. The first one is just I can't just do anything for this one, right? This is a must one. I'm not making a case for 2. I'll do it with pure logic. So according to test case, it should give me 1. It should give me 2. Yeah, obviously. Yeah, it does make sense. If n is equal to 2, it should give me... Wait, ouch! What did I do? What did I just do? Oh damn. I fucked up my editorial, whatever it is. This is weird. On n is equal to 1, it gives me... Oh, first from the last. So it will be second from the last. I see there's some mathematical problem here. Let's just figure it out. How am I going to do this? So when it comes to position is equal to size minus n plus 1. Here n is 1 because the size is 2. It will be 1. Now it should it be like this, right? It will just remain at cur, and cur dot next is equal to cur next. If the n is 2 and the size is 2, it says plus 1. If the n is 1, it says 2. There's some problem in this indexing thing. I see there is some problem. If I do it 0 and 1, now what happens? Will it still give me the wrong answers? Wrong for the last one for sure. Oh yeah, the position is for the ones, right? I'm tired of the cheapskates. I'm tired of eating bread. How should I correct this one? Guess who's back? Mr. Death. What up, sir? Mr. Death. I'm at the last question of my stream and I'm struggling with this one. There's some problem with my indexing, I feel. I'm trying to see what's the problem. I've done 5. Today I did 5 in 50 minutes. And then this question came. Remove nth node. I thought this was easy, but this one test case, I don't know where am I wrong. Hey Bhagwan. N is equal to 2. Size is 5. 5 plus 3. No, size is not 5. Size is 2. Plus 1 is my position. What if I use a while loop? Let's try a while loop. Maybe it can work. While I. No, first I have to define I. So int of I is equal to 1. It rests on the 1th position. While I is less than. While I is less than what? Position, right? While I is less than position. If it's the second position from the last, it's the first position on the first. Cur is equal to cur dot next. I don't even want to submit this one right now because I know this will be wrong. If this was 1, it would have been 2. I is less than 2. Wait, this can actually work. This one can actually work. Oh, what the hell am I doing? I plus plus. This one can actually work. Oh damn. Where am I? What am I missing? What? Expected? What? Oh, obviously. Yeah. This is the else code. And I don't need this one. Ah. I quit. Oh my god. I'm sacrificing my mental health in all this shit, man. There are 5 people who are watching me struggling on a question I said is very easy. I just picked up this question. I said, medium question. This is the easiest question. And now this is happening with me. I'm getting dismantled by this one. I want to watch Pokemon today. I don't know why. I just want to watch Pokemon today. Should I just play Pokemon Fire Red? I'm thinking to play Pokemon Fire Red. Here's a little something I'm thinking. You need to just change the next of the previous node from the target to the next of the target. You need to change the next of the previous node from the target to the next of the target. Yes. What you are saying is exactly what I'm trying to do here. But the problem is coming in indexing. My indexing is, that's why I like to, should I just get a copy and a paper? Like, what am I even saying? Copy and a paper, a pen and a paper. That would make things easy to like derive this index. Play. Sure, but later. I'm thinking to play Pokemon Fire Red. It's just that I'm just so depressed because of this shit. Now I'm not depressed, but I'm annoyed. I'm just annoyed because of this shit. Please, God help me. While I is less than position. While I is less than position. Open MS Paint, buddy. The problem with MS Paint is that whenever I open it between like my stream, it crashes. I've tried MS Paint a lot of times. It crashes. Wait, I must have something. I have a pen here, and this calendar must have pages. Okay, I hope this pen works. It works. Why didn't I think? Ouch. ओए चल, हे भगवान. This is the first one. This is the second one. Size is 2. According to my code, I should always be less than position. I is 1. It is not less than position, so nothing will happen. It will always be head. So heads next will be heads next. Right? Here is the problem. The problem may arise if I use 2 here. Wait, I'm using 2 already. What am I even using? If I use 1, I get 2. So position will be 2. It will be curves next. Curve will shift to next. Fine, I'll give this question a try myself. Let's go. This one worked. When it was time, that one worked. Miriam goes, hey, how's life doing? Yeah, with C++. Real angel in it. I'm not British, lol. Yeah, C++ is. Yeah, okay. So I thought C++ is very peaceful. But this question is changing the way I think, I must say. Python is. You don't know what's happening. Miriam Mega. What is this name? Miriam Me Games. You don't know how much of a problem I have right now with this C++ pointers thing. It's not exactly C++ fault. This index that I'm not able to create right now. I'm just trying everything. I'm not able to create this index. So what is happening? What am I doing? Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Let's go with for loop again. For int I is equal to 1, I less than position minus 1, I plus plus, and curves next. This will work for 3 test cases, but then there will be this worked for nothing. Okay, syntactical error, no big deal. World War 3 almost going to start and bro is stuck with C++. Man, let me just say this one thing. I'm going to say it. I hope no Indian is watching except my brother. I live in India, and I think I live in the most diplomatic country to ever exist. Okay, so we're not getting affected by war any day. Okay, I'm going to say it. Okay, let's talk about the war. Let's talk about the war. I feel I'm in the safest country right now because India is so diplomatic that India is not going to involve itself into the war. This is what I think. So I'll be safe when the world will be fighting. I would be attending college. I would be worried about my CGPA. I would be worried about, oh, will I get a job and all of this. I live in India too, bro. So India is very diplomatic. We are not getting affected by war any day. 9 watching, by the way. After a lot of time, I'm almost going to hit a double digit right now. Last time I saw 16 watching, I was playing games. This time I'm just doing coding and all. Time changes, something bad's about to happen to me. Okay, so yeah, where was I? 3 task cases. It passed 3 task cases, doesn't pass one of them. And I know why it doesn't pass one of them. I absolutely know this. So what can I even do to what can I do? I'm so close. So I'm so close to crying actually. Not so close to solving the question. Nah, 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 nah. I'm so close to crying. So close to crying. Should I use zero? Should I use zero? Let's try to use zero. Let's go with zero. Obviously, something like this would happen. Not Indian, but I still hate the UK. Man, I don't hate any country. Wait. Again, let me just say it. Look, this geopolitical thing, I don't give a shit about geopolitics until unless I'm getting affected by that. Because I feel like the world doesn't need me in this geopolitical stuff. They're already, I'm not needed in this stuff. So I don't even think about it. That do I hate this country? Do I love this country? I don't even think about it. I've got a lot to do in personal life, I would say. I don't give a shit about geopolitics. But yeah, I am updated with what's happening. Started with this Venezuela thing and now a lot is happening. Just make a case for 2. Curl is index 0. Yes, I can do Kanishk Vishesh. I can do this. I can make a case for 2, but that would be cheating. How many cases will I make if I go like this? I think I should end the stream. I'm not able to do this one. The main problem is that my phone's battery is... My phone's gone die and my phone is my main microphone. W. Atal Bihari. Oh damn, political stuff is... Now, no, I don't want to make my channel political. I'm very politically inactive person and I'm very degenerate in all of these things. I'm very afraid of these things too. So yeah, I think that's the end of the stream. Fuck this question. I'm sorry for cursing, but yeah, this is it. I don't like this question. I said this was an easy question. This wasn't. Maybe this is, but I'm just bad at indexing. So thank you everyone for joining the stream. I'll go live again tomorrow with 4 more questions. This series that I've started, just 4 more. I want to complete March with coming live every day and doing 4 more questions. I want to get that LeetCode March batch. So thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. You are great.